We see spray and liners associated with trucks often, but not very often do we see them associated with the cover. I'm Katie Osborne with Truck Hero. Alongside me is Aaron from UnderCover. You're here to tell me what this is all about.
This is the new ArmorFlex cover from UnderCover. So we've Line-X coated the top with their new XS650, so it's UV stable. More durable cover than you'll see out there of any folding cover on the market.
So in addition to its durability, what other features does it provide consumers?
So our Flex cover is a tri-fold hard folding cover. So as it folds, when it gets to the last position, what's different about our cover than other covers is we have prop rods that make it stand straight up, so it doesn't lean against the cab. It's rated at highway speed, so you can drive down with a refrigerator in the back of your truck and not worry about your cover falling off.
All right, Aaron, personal question here. If you were to take your truck anywhere you could go, where would you go?
Mountains of Colorado.
Boom.
Fly
Easy.
fishing. That's what I do.
Easy as that. If you have any questions, you can, of course, reach out to those at Truck Hero and check out all the latest and greatest from SEMA at truck-hero.com.